Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is 3 blues guitar chord solos. What is this about? Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with a free member account or a premium member account. So what are we talking about today? Making some really blues guitar chord solos. Something like this. Yeah, I mixed up the several elements which I want to show it to you. So there are 3 different types of elements which you can use, and then you can mix it up on your own taste. So let's get started. Alright guys, this is a standard blues form in the key of B flat, and we are using some of regular movements, also some jazzy movements, some of my own creations, and they're really cool and they really help you to widen up your sound on the guitar. All which I'll show you works like in a trio, like in this case with bass, drum and guitar, but also as a second guitar if you have a regular rhythm guitar as a second guitar to just make the sound more rich. Okay, so first chord lick which I'm showing is this one here. 1, this one here, and this is a two bar chord lick, so it only works where you have time where you have 2 bars time. In the other cases you just make the first part. Okay, so this one is really cool. This is for B flat. You slide here in the 7th fret, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you slide it on the 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and second time you come in 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3. As I said, first bar you come on count 2, on second bar you come on count 1. Play this exactly the same thing, but then you end up, you put down the ring finger and you make this double stop here on the high B and E string. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3. It's pretty simple. When you move to E flat, you just move up here in the 12th fret. You're doing the same thing as before. It's really simple, but just the chord probably is new for you, and also with this ending is a little bit tricky. You just need to put your finger down and then it's cool. Then we come to the parts where we have only 1 bar. You just play the first part like on F. 1. You just move it up here in the 14th fret, E flat, or you could split it up, make the first part of the lick in F, see, you can also do like that, is also cool, end it up, and then we end up here with a F9 or F913 as you like here. 8, 7, 8, 8, pinky here in the 10th. Like this, or what I love to do is in this case chicken pick. Just use the pick and the rest do with the fingers, because then you have a more soft sound. So let's play this one here. 1 bar with this. when you do lettering and you have time, you can do this. Make a vibrato, press against the guitar, and create this sound. So that was the chord lick number 1. A 2-bar lick which you just move around through the chords. Second one is a little bit more difficult. This is my own creation, but I really love this one here. That's kind of jazzy, a jazzy chord solo. We start here with a B13, Borry in the 6th, middle finger in the 7th, ring finger in the 8th, B13, then B913. This one is a little bit tricky, the movement. Here, 3, 3, 5, pinky in the 6th. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then slide in here in the 3rd to 1. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you go back. And then do this lettering with the first chord, and in this case I would recommend the chicken pick. And then do vibrato at the end. So this one is quite challenging, you know, because you have many things going on. The chords are complicated, and it's really quite a challenge. Same on E flat, you just move the whole thing up here on the 11th fret and do the same thing. Back to B flat. On F you go in the 13th. You only have 1 bar, so only the first part. You can split it up again if you want. Or you can do the you can also do this. You don't need to split it up. You can, yeah, and then end it up and end up again with this F9 here. So let's do that one here. Cool. Now let's do the third chord lick as like this. So now we're making a lettering story here with B7 here, 6, 6, 7. Just you can do it with chicken pick or as you like. 1, and then second part you switch up in the chord from before. Okay. The advantage of this chord is you can make vibrato like this with the fingers. Now we make an E flat 7 here, 6, 5, 6. Okay. Same thing again, since we have doing with 3 fingers, we can make vibrato. And then we switch to the upper part of this 9 is like this. 5, 6, 6, 6. So back to B flat. again. And now, since this is a 2-bar lick again, you can split it up again. Here as well. And also do the vibrato when you have time. Yo, so these were 3 blues guitar chord licks which you can make into solos. You can play a full chorus as I did with one motif, or you can mix it up, with normal playing. You know, you just can play. I'm gonna show you just a little example playing normal soloing and then add chord solos in between. That also can be cool. I'll show you. Yo guys, these were 3 blues guitar chord solos, which you can make with these licks as a full form, as I said, or just as licks in between. It really works great. I mean, it's no problemo, I think. 2 of them are pretty easy, and one is, I must admit, this one is a bit hard, but it's worth learning this one, especially this chord. Takes a moment to really have it properly. But if you can do it, it's really cool. Good, what more to say? If you want to download this backing track plus the tabs of this stuff which I showed, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please join there with a free member account or a premium member account to download these wonderful files here. That's all me and Dr. Pink are having to say. Yeah, please join the HPCrazy Guitar. There's a lot of cool stuff also for free members, and you check it out. You will see.